How to verify your PayPal account? Well, let me walk you through it. So when you are in PayPal and you just started your account, you would like to verify your account so you can withdraw the money, you can send the money and do any other transactions. So for that, what you want to do is you want to go to pay and get paid. And then here you want to click on banks and cards. This page is going to look different for you, but what you're looking for is banks. And what you want to do is you want to click on link a new bank. Here it's going to ask you what kind of account type it is. Is it a business or is it a personal one? So for example, if it's a personal one, then you just simply type in your international business account number, which is your IBAN. That's the way you pronounce it. And then you link your bank. Now what's going to happen is PayPal is going to deduct a very small amount from your account and it's going to ask you for what that amount is. And then what you need to do is you need to look at it, you need to copy paste, and then you need to enter it here on PayPal. And then also another thing that you will need to do is you will need to prove your identity. So you will need to submit a scan of your passport or a scan of a utility bill. Overall, verifying the PayPal account is fairly straightforward. Just follow the steps and you will be there in no time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.